Hey gearheads, Jay Leno here, and today we're diving into the exciting world of turbocharged engines. Specifically, we're talking about two fascinating phenomena, turbo flutter and blow-off valves. These components are crucial for performance and create those iconic sounds that get car enthusiasts revved up. Turbochargers are like adding a shot of espresso to your engine. They force more air into the cylinders, resulting in a significant boost in power. But with great power comes a need for control, and that's where turbo flutter and blow-off valves come into play. Think of a turbocharged engine as a finely tuned orchestra. Each component plays a vital role in creating a harmonious symphony of power and efficiency. So buckle up as we explore the mechanics and the music of turbo flutter and blow-off valves. Let's start with turbo flutter. You know that distinctive chuff or stutter sound that some turbocharged cars make? That's turbo flutter. It happens when you let off the accelerator pedal. The throttle plate closes, creating a sudden blockage in the intake system. Imagine blowing air into a balloon and then suddenly pinching the opening shut. The air trapped inside has nowhere to go and creates pressure. In an engine, this trapped air between the turbocharger and the closed throttle plate becomes turbulent, causing the compressor blades to stall and flutter. This creates that characteristic sound we associate with high-performance turbocharged engines. While turbo flutter might sound cool, it's not necessarily ideal for performance. It can actually slow down the turbocharger's spin, resulting in a slight delay in power delivery when you hit the gas again, known as turbo lag. Now, let's talk about blow-off valves, or BOVs as they're often called. These clever devices are designed to prevent turbo flutter and protect your engine. Unlike turbo flutter, which is a byproduct of pressure buildup, blow-off valves are specifically engineered to vent excess pressure. They do this by creating an alternate path for the pressurized air to escape. Think of a pressure cooker with a release valve. When the pressure gets too high, the valve opens, releasing steam and preventing a potential explosion. Similarly, when you lift your foot off the gas in a turbocharged car equipped with a BOV, the valve opens, venting the pressurized air into the atmosphere, creating a whoosh sound, or back into the intake system. This prevents damage to the turbocharger and reduces turbo lag, making for a smoother and more responsive driving experience. Blow-off valves are essential for turbocharged engines, ensuring longevity and optimal performance. Section 4. Flutter versus valves, distinct sounds, different purposes. So, we've got turbo flutter, which is a natural phenomenon that can be detrimental to performance, and blow-off valves, which are engineered solutions to mitigate those negative effects. The key difference lies in their purpose. Turbo flutter is an unintended consequence of pressure buildup, while blow-off valves are designed to manage that pressure. Think of it this way. Turbo flutter is like a sneeze, a sudden, involuntary release of pressure. A blow-off valve is like exhaling slowly and controlled, a deliberate action to regulate pressure. Both create distinct sounds, but their impact on the engine is very different. Turbo flutter can cause wear and tear on the turbocharger and create lag, while blow-off valves protect the engine and improve responsiveness. Understanding the difference between these two is crucial for any car enthusiast. Section 5. The importance of understanding turbo components. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just starting to tinker under the hood, understanding the intricacies of turbocharged engines is essential. Turbo flutter and blow-off valves are just two examples of the many components that work together to create the exhilarating performance that turbocharged engines are known for. Knowing how these components function, their effects on performance, and the sounds they produce can help you diagnose potential issues, make informed modifications, and appreciate the engineering marvel that is a turbocharged engine. It's about more than just making your car go faster. It's about understanding the how and why behind the power. Section 6. Conclusion. Embracing the power and precision of turbocharging. As we've explored, turbocharged engines are a delicate balance of power, precision, and efficiency. Turbo flutter and blow-off valves are prime examples of this delicate dance. While turbo flutter might be music to some ears, it's crucial to remember that it's a sign of uncontrolled pressure that can negatively impact performance and longevity. Blow-off valves, on the other hand, offer a controlled and effective solution, ensuring your turbocharged engine runs smoothly and powerfully for miles to come. So, the next time you hear the distinct sounds of turbo flutter or a blow-off valve, remember the intricate mechanics at play. These sounds are more than just noise, they're a testament to the power and precision of turbocharging.